Okay, I want to tell you about a phenomenon that's occurring as my children get older and end up leaving the house to go to college and start their own lives, their adult lives. Things like this, which is a childhood fort frequented by all of them in various forms over the years as we transformed it. But it's been overgrown by the fruit canopy that I'm allowing to grow into it. So you can see some interesting trees overtaking it. This is a ever-bearing mulberry tree, very copious fruit producer. This is a Muntingia strawberry tree, cotton candy tree, depending on how you refer to it. Wonderful tree. Oh, here's a sea grape. Nice. And there's a moringa. So, a very nice spread. And don't forget the mango, of course. It goes without saying. Don't forget to subscribe to Eat Your Backyard for more videos like this. Also, check out Jedi Jingle Maker, where you will find all of my incredible